Hello everyone, this is the unboxing of the doorway no screws pull-up bar that I got from Amazon. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Alright, so comes with a manual installation instruction. Alright, and yeah, this one has a feel weight to this. It's heavy. Okay. First is to remove these from that and twist this to extend. I set my adjustment here, so I push this one and then it locks in place, and then I'm gonna put the other one. And this one is so very easy to assemble, guys. Okay, so once it's set, and I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Okay guys, just to show you how to install this, so simply just put this one right here. Okay, and once it's set, yeah, I need more. This is my preferred setting, so I'm gonna push this locking plastic right over here, and there you go. It's all set. This is how you install the pull-up bar with no screw required. And once you all set the adjustment and everything, try it out, and then you just put this locking piece of plastic right here on both sides, and you're all set. Hope this video is helpful, and if you're looking to get one of these, I'll put the link down in the description below. And I'm very happy with this pull-up bar, and it works, you know, and easy to install, and I can remove it so easily. So please like this video if you like it, and share and subscribe, and see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.